Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial or demo setup on how to install a magazine or magazine theme on your website or magazine template on your website in just few seconds. First of all, we will make our website like this magazine. This is the theme that is offered, officially offered by OceanWP. And it is a free theme, OceanWP theme, and it is developed by OceanWP. You can view on our official website oceanwp.org, and it is free to download from WordPress.org. So let us dive into this video and let us create our website from scratch. So I will just open my htdocs, go to my htdocs, and then just create a new folder, and I will say it magazine mega gym. So I've created a magazine folder. Now I need to now I have to copy the WordPress file in this folder. I have already downloaded the WordPress zip folder and extracted it, and this is the WordPress file, and I will now copy all the files inside it, Ctrl C, and copy it inside the WordPress zip folder. So you can download the WordPress directly from the website WordPress.org. If you can get WordPress, you can download the WordPress from WordPress 5.2.1 and click on this button and you can download the WordPress. So now the file is being copied. So now all the file has been copied inside the magazine folders. So magazine folder. So now we need to create a database for the website in order to link between the database and the website. So let's create a database. Open your XAMPP and click on admin of MySQL, and it will go to admin panel and click on new. So since I have my website name as magazine, so I will also create a magazine database that will help me to remember it easily. We can create, and the magazine database now doesn't have anything, so we need to go to our click a new tab and create a new tab and go to localhost / our folder, name of a folder where we kept all our WordPress files. There is a magazine, and you can see that is a magazine. So we need to type this magazine exactly over here, MGAZYN magazine, and you can install. So once we enter this, we will provoke the folder or magazine, the file inside the magazine, to install the WordPress. So now this is WordPress configuration. Click on English, continue, and then let's go. Now go to database name. We have a database name as magazine, magazine, and since it is a localhost, the username is always a root, and I haven't set any password. If you are using this in a web, your database have a different name. Your database must have a username. Your database must have a password. Please add the same database name, username, and the password that you use during creating a website or during creating your database. So, and now on the database host, you can leave it as it is for web users and for localhost users, and on the table prefix you can change it to anything you want. I will change it to mega since it is a magazine, and now click on submit. So alright, now the database has been matched and it has been linked with our WordPress. So now run the installation. I'll run the installation, and the site title I will keep it as mega gym, and username I will make it as admin admin, and I will go to the password also as admin for the setup, and I will confirm use of unique password, and now I will set my email, and now click on install WordPress. This will help me install the WordPress. So now the WordPress has been installed. Click on this login button, so it will help us to log in, and we know the password and username. So I will log in into the system, and now the system is logged in, and I have used the old version of maybe the old version of WordPress, so I need to update it. You can use the latest version. Click and please update now, and we'll update the WordPress to the current version, the latest version. You have the latest version, so okay, I have the latest version, and I need to update the plugins and the estimate plugin, so I will update the plugin. You need to update the plugin regularly by checking them on our website, since not updating a plugin may lead to vulnerabilities, and hackers may hack in from that system. So the update has been completed. Now go to dashboard. This is a fresh site. We don't have installed anything. Let me clear up this and this local this also. So this is our site. It doesn't have anything. Just a 2019 theme has been installed, the default WordPress theme, and no anything. So in order to make our website look like this, first we need to install the theme, OceanWP theme. So go to Appearance and click on Themes. Here you can see we have only 3 themes: 2016, 2017 and 2019 theme, the default theme, and the 2019 theme is active. So click on Admin and search for OceanWP. OceanWP. Don't keep any space. Just write this name, and you don't have to enter it. Press the enter button, it will automatically show, and click on install. The theme is being installed. So you can also find the theme by searching on wordpress.org/theme/OceanWP. You can also go to the theme homepage from this. The theme has less than 1 million users, right? Active installation. The theme has been installed. So click on activate. The theme needs to be activated after it has been installed on our system. So now the theme has been activated. Once the theme has been activated, it will recommend us to install the different types of plugin that has been bundled with the theme. So we need to install Elementor, Ocean Extra and WP themes. So these are the things that are needed in order to perform very efficiently by the theme, or in order to make our website look like this. These are the things that have been included or used. So this is like a TGMPF feature. You need to install the plugin. So click on begin installing plugin, and you can click on this plugin and go under bulk actions and click on install and click on apply. So it will install the theme, all of the 3 of the themes at once. So all of the plugins are being installed. Elementor plugin is being installed. Then other plugins will be installed. So all of the 3 plugins has been installed, and it is showing some sort of error. So we just ignore it and go to plugin sections and see if all 3 plugins have been installed or not. and we can see that all of the three Elementor, OceanWP Extra and OceanWP Lite, all of the three plugins has been installed and they has been activated. So once the plugin has been installed, go to Elementor and go to getting started. So in the getting started, this will show you the run the setup wizard, and click on run the setup wizard. So once we have been on here, so it will welcome us with the setup wizard, and it will tell us there are two essential steps for building the website. So first go to get started, and so it will allow us to choose the theme demo. So we need to create there are different types of demos, such as architect demo, vlogger demo. You can have a live preview of any of the demo. So in this particular video we are going for the magazine, so we will select this particular template, so demo, and you can click and select, and we have selected the magazine. So now click on install demo at the end of this page. So it again suggests us to add that OceanWP header and Ocean Elementor widgets. These two plugins are required in order to save the demo. So click on import, and this will automatically be installed. And it is importing the XML data and other things also. You just click on that option and wait until all of the process behind the bars happens. Our OceanWP has been installed. So in this way, site title, magazine, retina logo, and we'll let it remain as it is, and click on continue at the end. And now we enter our Gmail, and what enter the OceanWP will say anything, a blog or e-commerce, both, and enter. And now we'll view our website. Click on view your website. So go to magazine and visit the site. So now the website has all been set. So it is the same website that we have seen earlier, right? In website 2 there's also website, all the same website. So this is a localhost/magazine, and the website has been installed from the demo. You can install the demo from of different types that are given on the official page over here. You can install any of the demo, free ones, paid ones. You need to buy the paid ones and pro versions, and free version you can automatically view them from the theme itself. So you can install any of these demos in your website just by these 2 or 3 clicks of your mouse. So feel free to comment on this video if you don't understand anything, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, comment on this video if you have any queries regarding this demonstration. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting me, and